Hi guys, and welcome back on my channel. If it's Thursday, it means it's the time for another video with me. As I promised to you, I'm trying to post one video per week. This video will be all about my signature hairstyle, because this is the way I'm wearing my hair most of the time. If it's not just simple and straight, it will be curled like this, bouncy and big curls. This is the way I like to style it. In my opinion, it looks like you've just been at the hairdresser's, don't you think? If you are curious to watch how you can achieve the perfect curly hair, in my opinion, you should be watching this video, because it's all about a few simple steps you can follow. I'm sure you will have basically the same result. Just keep on watching. This is the perfect hairstyle for any day-to-day activities. I will show you how you can achieve the perfect curls using only a few products. Let me know if it works for you, exactly how it worked for me, and let's rewind a bit. So I will show you the entire process that started like 1 hour ago, when I basically started to wash my hair. Obviously this is the first step, so good. I just took a really long and relaxing bath, and I want to show you what I used to wash my hair firstly, because I think everything is really important when you want to do your curls. And these are the products that I'm using lately. This is the brand that my hairdresser is using. Is this brand called Joico. This is the treatment shampoo, and this one is the conditioner for fullness and volume. Lately I'm using these two products to wash my hair. I noticed that my hair was really soft and nice and had a different texture, and it might be important to use professional shampoo and conditioner. I will leave you the link from the website where I found these two products. I think it's called Look Fantastic or something like this. In my opinion, it's worth investing in professional product for hair, because you can really feel the difference when you're washing your hair with professional products. I'm not saying that the regular shampoo is not good, but I'm trying to mix them up, because I feel like my hair is not looking the same after I'm washing it with the same shampoo more than 3 or 4 months. Your hair is getting used to the formula of the shampoo and is not reacting the same anymore. I'm not sure if it's alright what I'm saying here, but this is what I've noticed, and this is what I'm doing usually. I'm changing the shampoo, but right now I'm using these two products, the conditioner and the shampoo, and I think my hair looks much better. Obviously washing your hair is the first step. My hair never looked really nice when I tried to use the hot rollers, and it wasn't like freshly washed. So I think it's really important to try to wash your hair first and to curl it afterwards. Alright, so the first step after you're washing your hair obviously is blow dry. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this towel. I want my hair to have big volume at the roots. I will show you what else I'm using to prep my hair for curling. So bear with me 1 second. After I towel dried my hair, I'm gonna be using this product. Actually, I found this one in the supermarket. I really wanted to help my roots to have more volume, because I have like a lot of hair and it's really heavy, and my volume is not the same anymore like it used to be. So I'm using this blow dry lotion. It's from John Frieda, and it says that you start with a towel dried hair and spray generously, concentrating spray on the roots for the crown volume. Make sure your hair is fully covered at the surface and underneath before blow drying and styling. It's like a heat protection spray, and I think it's a good idea to use at least a simple heat protection, not necessarily the root booster like I'm using, because I want volume. If you just want to start curling your hair, I think it's mandatory to use some kind of heat protection, otherwise your hair will get really damaged in time. So yeah, I'm gonna start spraying, you know, like on each side, especially where I want the volume. I took this entire section from the front and I sprayed in both directions, and right now I will give like a full spray just for the heat protection. So this is the root booster, but I'm also using another type of product. When I run out of this one, I'm using only the simple heat protecting spray when you're using heat up to 230 degrees for soft and shiny hair, and you can use this one on wet and dry hair as well. I will spray on the length a bit of this heat protection spray, only to be sure that I'm not damaging my hair with so much heat that I'm gonna put on it. So give me 1 second to blow dry my hair. Ooh. This is my only hair dryer I have. It's from Remington, my favorite brand when it comes to hair. Almost all my hair tools are from this brand because I feel like it's really good. Okay, so as you can see, the root booster really worked. I have a lot of volume to play with, and I have a lot of hair, so I think I need to brush it up a little bit. Alright, so my hair is all prepped and ready. This process is taking me about half an hour. That's why I'm not really into curls at the moment. But today I wanna create my signature curls for you, as I promised. Everyone is asking me how am I doing those curls, so today I will reveal my secret. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna heat up these jumbo curls. It's been a while since I have them. I have discovered this type of jumbo curls 10 years ago, I think, and I really love the result. It looks really natural with a lot of volume, and in my opinion this is the easiest way to create curls for my hair, because I have like a lot of hair and it's not easy. So this is how it looks like. It's like a wax curl roller that retain high heat and helps set the curls faster and to maintain the curls longer. Most importantly, these are leaving the hair frizz free. So yeah, I will start the process. First of all, I will plug this in and I will let them heat for a few minutes. I'm gonna be using this roller fastening and these pins as well to help my rollers stay in my hair, and I'm gonna try to take one by one. I have 4 bigger rollers and 8 smaller rollers, so I'm gonna start with the smaller rollers because I like more how these ones are looking in my hair, and at the end I will use the bigger ones just because I want to keep the length as much as possible. So I will take the front section. I think this is the most important area because here is the area where your curls are actually really visible. I'm gonna start rolling the curlers. I will use them inside. I don't know, I just like how it looks like. I will mix them at some point, but I think when I'm putting them inside are better. Alright, so now I rolled this one and I will use this roll fastening. Okay, great. So the idea is that I will use this thing to keep them even safer. I know it looks funny, but at the end it will look alright, and this is important. Alright, so I will take another roller and I will just curl it inside. This is it, and now I'm using the fastening thing on top of it, and it's going to stay fixed. My first try is not the best try, but a little bit of practice, it's getting really easy and even faster than with the curler. Okay, good. This is the most important area because it's basically the front area. Right now in the back I would need some volume, so I will take one section from the back, yeah, and I think I will use a bigger roller this time. I will put it exactly like I put it the other one, so I just roll it inside. It's really hard to show you. I did exactly the same thing. This is the direction of the roller. I want to have more volume at the hair. And now I will choose the next section from the same area, from the back, and I will roll it again for volume with a big roller. Alright. Okay. Now, this is all the hair left. I'm gonna take one more from here. I will keep it like this until I will finish with all my hair, so it's basically the same process. And with the hair that's left here, I will do it the other way around, because I want to have more like a natural look. Okay, I'm all done. So my hair will be super voluminous, and most importantly, it will be curly. I'm gonna stay like this for about half an hour. I think it would be a good idea to give it a spray. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal hairspray. Basically, you can use any hairspray you want. It's the Electric Night limited edition. It's the perfect one for curls, because it says that it disappears at the stroke of a brush, and it really works for me. The hair doesn't look really fixed. I want it to be bouncy and curly. I'm gonna go to eat something, and in about 1 hour I will be ready. I will do my makeup as well, so I will be ready to go because I have a meeting later on, and the hair will be just perfect like this. See you in about 1 hour. Okay guys, this was it. This is the final result. Personally, I absolutely love the final look. This is my favorite hairstyle. After the straight hair, I prefer to wear it curled like this because it looks really nice put together, and it gives you a big and nice volume at the hair. In my opinion, this is the perfect look. It looks like you've just got out from the hairdresser, but the secret is really simple. The wax rollers are perfect for this type of curly hair, but if you want the curls to be stronger, you can leave it like this for more than 1 hour. If you want me to do more hair tutorials, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next fashion video. Stay close.